Hi guys, so blind ranking dart players, and this list will be based on the whole package. Their darting ability, their shirts, their barrel design, walk-ons, everything. So let's start off. Danny Noppert. Personally, I like Danny. He seems like a nice, genuine guy. Really good dart player. Love his walk-on music. Love the shirt. So we'll go in at 5 for Danny. Dimmy, I'm one of those that doesn't really get him as a player. Don't like the walk on. Don't like the on stage sort of antics, if you want to call it. So I'm going to put Dimmy down at 8. Aspinall, one of my favourites. Great walk on. Love his sort of on stage demeanour. Never say die. Love the shirt. Love his darts based on sort of the old Leighton Rees design. So Asper goes in at 3. Bunting, another real likeable character, fellow Liverpool supporter, and there's nothing to dislike about him really. He works hard, gets the results he deserves, but I probably just like Nathan a bit more than Bunting, so I'll go 4. JC, really nice guy. Met him a few times. He's one of the reasons why Darts Cymru has become what it is. So I'm gonna go Johnny as my number 1. D'Souza, when he came on the scene, he was something fresh, quite comical at times, but has really fallen off the edge of a cliff. And I'm not really a fan of the Walk On song, but I probably prefer him to Dimmy, so I'd go 7. Barney, one of the legends of the sport. He's one of the reasons darts is so big now, and we have to thank him for that. Walk On song is good. Love his action. What's to come next? Barney goes 6. Anderson, another legend of the sport. A lot of people find Gary quite a Marmite character. Around the time him and Gezi had that bust up in the Grand Slam, he wasn't my favourite sort of dart player, but I've come to like him. Love his action. Big fan of the shirt actually. So I'm thinking what's to come next. I'm going to put Gary in number 2. Wadey, nah, just don't get the guy. Don't like his post-match interviews. Just, I can't warm to him at all. So Wadey 10. And who's the last one? Ryan Searle. He wouldn't be my number 9 usually. He'd probably be up around 4 or 5. Love his throwing action. Love his sort of on-stage demeanour. So unfortunately he goes in at 9, but he would be much higher. What do you think, guys? Agree with some of the comments I made? Agree with the ranking? Let me know in the comments. Catch you soon. Cheers. Ta-ra.